In this video we're gonna be replacing climate control screen on 2002 Porsche 996. Installation should be identical for Porsche 986 Boxster as well as this 911. Before starting replacement, I'm gonna quickly show you how bad this screen is. You could barely see anything there. You only need several tools, some of them are optional. Using plastic pry bar, remove the trim. Now with Phillips screwdriver I'm gonna remove the bolts. Now I'm gonna pull out the climate control unit, and if there is anything else, anything miscellaneous in the way, just take it out. Now there are two connectors, and I'm gonna disconnect them pretty easy. Push right here and remove. And same thing here, push and remove. Now I'm gonna remove those two Phillips screws. And this one. I'll try to do the repair without disconnecting this cable. There are 7 Phillips screws, I'm gonna remove them. And now there are 7 metal pieces. I'm gonna have to make them all straight and then remove this board. Now I'm gonna remove the board. Gonna put this on the side. Now I need to remove this screen assembly. It's out. I'm gonna put this on the side as well. Now on this side I need to pry out this one, maybe this one a little bit as well, and same thing, mainly this one, possibly this one, but first I'll just do this one and this one. Now I'm gonna remove this whole piece. Now just push on this screen. Let's take this out. And now take screen with those two things out as well. Just keep it like this. I'm not sure if it matters, but keep it all in the same direction. Now I'm gonna open the new one. Take this one out, and there should be one more on this side. Once it's out, just drop it in. Carefully remove this one. Push it in. Do the same thing on this one. And push it in here as well. Now I'm gonna put this one in, and looks like direction is matter, because you can see right here this extra piece goes like this. And now this one. Now we're gonna push this slightly in. And same with this one. Now I'm gonna drop this in. Now I'm gonna put this board on here. And before bending those metal pieces, I'm gonna first secure all 7 screws. Now I'm gonna slightly bend each one of those 7 metal pieces. Now I'm gonna put this back in and start securing. There are 3 Phillips screws. Now let's go install it on the vehicle. Gonna secure those 2 connectors. Push this in. Have to turn it around. Now I'm gonna have to redo mine. As you saw, screen was upside down. On new one I couldn't figure out which way to put it, because sometimes I could see something on the screen, sometimes not. Just pay attention if you can, what you see on the screen. Worst case scenario, you might just have to do it twice. And the other thing is you don't have to secure everything like I did to check if it's in the correct direction. But it's okay, it's not gonna take me long to do it anyway. Turn it around and install everything back again. Alright, let's install it again. Let's check again. And now it's good. Gonna secure 2 Phillips screws or bolts. And put the trim piece back. Just make sure these pieces are on top. And let's start it again. Later on, when I looked at the old screen, I noticed there is a little groove right here. It's kind of tough to see on a video, but it is right here. I looked at old footage to see if the screen replacement had a groove on it. I couldn't see it on videos I took, but I noticed that on Amazon listing, it did have little groove there. So before you do like I did, trying to do it 2 ways, see which one is correct, see if you have groove there. If you do, you should be able to get it in the right direction. If you don't, you might just have to do it twice, but like you saw in the video, it wasn't bad at all. Well, that concludes the installation video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. I'll provide the Amazon affiliate link for the climate control screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.